Hi guys, Amy Hunt here, home business expert. You have come upon this video and basically it's your lucky day because this software is like the diamond in the rough of selling merchandise online. Stay tuned and watch the rest of the video so you can find out how you can sell on a variety of software, a variety of websites, including Amazon, SPREADSHIRT, REDBUBBLE, TeeSpring, all with one click. This is brand new within the last month. Check out the rest of my video and I'll get you some more information on how to get started. So maybe you're one of those people who thought, man, I want to sell t-shirts somewhere, but I don't know how. I don't know even how to get started. Well, you've found the right video. I will be teaching more and more about this, but this is just a brief video. You can go to amyhunt.biz. You can get all kinds of information on different courses, on free videos, that sort of thing. But the software I'm going to talk about right now is called Merch Informer. Merch Informer is a pretty new, fairly new in the world of software and websites, merchandise websites. So really in a nutshell, basically what Merch Informer does is it's going to teach you what type of merchandise is selling on Amazon and across the internet, what types of products that, if you have an interest, what types of products that you could sell, how to hire somebody to design it or design it yourself, how to check for compliance with copyright, that sort of thing. It does it all. Trademarks, it'll monitor your sales, that sort of thing. But what is brand new about our Merch Informer that makes it above the rest, makes it a diamond in the rough, is this right here. It's called single upload interface. So when you click on that, you're going to get the option to download to Windows or Mac, depending on what computer you have. If you have an Apple, you want to do Mac. Otherwise, if you have a Windows computer, you click on Windows. It's going to take you to a file down here, and you're going to upload that zip file and let it run. But once that happens, it's going to get downloaded. It'll be put onto your desktop. It looks like this. You click on that and then it opens up this little, interface, this little helpful instant upload. But I wanted to show you to get started things out. But this is what it's going to look like for you when you have a product. So I have a product, and what you will do is go to an Excel file, and it teaches you all how to do this because there's all sorts of tutorials in this software. You can upgrade and get even better information and tutorials, but there's some for free. But basically it takes all this information, you put it in one time. There's title, description, tags, price, image, and they tell you how to do all this within their software and the tutorials. And what you do is save that Excel file, you download it, and then you upload it, and I uploaded it with headers because you can see there's headers here. Now what's beautiful about this new feature is right here. They're called the services. So these are the services that are basically set up as one shot, one click. Okay, so you would go to sign up, and there's videos on how to sign up for all this, but it's just like basic account set up and sign up. Go to Printful, TeeSpring, REDBUBBLE, SPREADSHIRT, and you sign up for those. Then once you click Uploader, it takes you to a page like this. So I set everything up to make this video quick for you. And what you do is basically just click on where you want to upload it. So let's unclick these, and you can see that. Let's just start uploading to Printful. So what it's going to do, and I already did it for the sake of time, is you just click start uploading. But if you want them to do all, so you can see that it'll just upload it. So if you wanted to do all of them, I'm going to stop that for the video. If you want to do all of them, this is how easy it is. You're going to click on those, and then you go to show details, and it'll show you all the things that you have selected from before. Now this is a very brief, and you're probably like, well, how do I do that? How to do that? I would suggest you sign up for the website and you go into the tutorials to see how to do that, because they will walk you through step by step. The tutorials are not long. They'll show you how to find keywords, how to put all this information in, how to do tags, that sort of thing. I also want to show you, a lot of you might be wondering about Merch by Amazon. It teaches you step by step how to apply to be a seller on Amazon. You got to get approved. But I was approved, and I'm excited about that, and I just started listing things, which Merch Academy teaches you how to list everything, but these are the products that I just uploaded and am waiting for approval on my Merch by Amazon as per the teaching of the Merch Academy. It's totally worth it, even if you don't do anything else, to learn what they're teaching just for the price of that. But that's what Merch Academy looks like right now for me. If you like this kind of information, sign up for my website. I give you honest, upfront, and vivid, clear, hopefully informational videos that get you connected to the most up-to-date and current software. But if you're interested in doing your own t-shirts, this is the way to get started. If you've been on my channel before, I've told you that I have just started this Merch Informer and I'm just starting my t-shirt company. And so you can see what I've done with Merch Informer. I've also applied it to my Shopify, which is a Shopify store. And what I've done is I'll create shirts, and then I'll go to download, and I'll download them into my files, and then I can upload them into my Shopify store. And you can see here's the one I was showing you from before, that I have my product in my store, and you can see that it's up into my Shopify store. So Merch Informer does everything you need it to do if you're interested in selling t-shirts somewhere on the internet. So just look in my description below if you don't mind. Click the link and go ahead and get started with this. This is an awesome tool to get yourself started with your own t-shirt company. Thanks for watching. Again, amyhunt.biz is my website, or Home Business Expert on YouTube. Look in the description below for all social links. Thanks for watching, and see you the next time. Thanks for watching Home Business Expert. You can find more on my website called amyhunt.biz. If you like my videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, there you go. There's my circle in the middle with my subscribe button. And if you want notifications, just click the notification button to get notified of the upcoming videos and my most recent videos. If you have any questions or comments, please just leave your question or comment below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching. Amy Hunt, Home Business Expert.